Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back. Today, I've got a little secret to share with you. One I've personally used for years and absolutely swear by. And the best part, it only takes 2 ingredients. We're talking about castor oil and baking soda. Simple, right? But don't be fooled. This combo is powerful. It tackles everything from blackheads and dark spots to rough feet and elbows. Let's break it all down. First up, castor oil. This thick, rich oil is extracted from the castor bean plant. It's kind of like liquid gold for your skin, deeply moisturizing, soothing inflammation, and even fighting off certain bacteria. It really gets in there and does the work. And then there's baking soda. Not just for cakes, my friends. It's a gentle exfoliant that buffs away dead skin, neutralizes odors, and brightens dark areas. On its own, it can be a little too intense, but mix it with castor oil, and boom, magic happens. You get all the benefits, but in a softer, safer way for your skin. Think of it like this. Castor oil is the gentle friend who protects and nourishes, while baking soda is the one who gets down to business. Together, they're unstoppable. Now, how can this dynamic duo help you? Let me count the ways. 1. Blackheads, gone. Apply it to your nose, forehead, or chin. The baking soda unclogs pores, and the castor oil softens everything up, so those pesky blackheads just slide right out. 2. Dark underarms or inner thighs. Brighten them up. Consistent use of this blend can lighten those areas naturally. No harsh chemicals, no expensive creams. 3. Rough elbows and knees. Smooth as silk. It gently exfoliates and moisturizes, making rough patches a thing of the past. 4. Calloused feet? Treat 'em right. Massage the mixture into hard skin, let it sit, and then file gently. Your feet will thank you. 5. Sunspots or acne marks? Fade 'em gradually. Use it as a face mask to even out tone and smooth texture over time. 6. Natural toothpaste? Once in a while, not daily. The baking soda lifts stains and the castor oil fights bacteria. But go easy. Too much can damage enamel. Let's talk prep. Here's how to mix it right. Sensitive skin? 2 tablespoons castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Normal skin? 1 tablespoon oil plus 1 teaspoon baking soda. Tougher skin? Use a little less oil. Same baking soda. Mix it in a glass or plastic container using a plastic or wooden spoon. No metal. It can mess with the ingredients. You're aiming for a paste that's thick like toothpaste, not runny. How to use it? Here's the guide. For your face, start slow. Apply to clean skin, gently massage, leave for 5 minutes first time. Work up to 15 minutes if your skin agrees. Rinse with warm water. Max twice a week. For armpits and groin. After a shower, apply and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, always giving your skin a day to rest. For elbows, knees. Massage in for a few minutes, let it sit for 10 more, then rinse. For feet, apply generously, wait 20 minutes, then gently exfoliate. Moisturize afterward. Important tips. Patch test first. Always test on a small area first. Don't overdo it. Twice a week is more than enough. Rinse thoroughly. Moisturize after, especially if your skin feels dry. So how do you know it's working? In the first 2 weeks, your skin should feel softer and start looking brighter. By 1 month, you'll see noticeable changes. Smoother skin, faded dark spots, easier blackhead removal. But remember, results take time. Stick with it. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't apply to broken or irritated skin. Don't rub too hard. Don't skip rinsing. Don't apply daily, so give your skin time to rest. Don't give up too early. Skin renews slowly. Want to boost the mix? Add turmeric powder for dark spots, a few drops of honey for dry skin, a few drops of lemon juice for oily skin. but never go in the sun right after. Don't use this mix if you have cuts or open wounds, you're allergic to either ingredient, you have very sensitive skin, or conditions like eczema. Consult a dermatologist first. So that's it, my friends. A natural, budget-friendly way to treat your skin with love and care. Try it out and let me know how it goes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I've got tons more simple, powerful tips just like this one. Take care and see you next time.